Malware. Malware is a malicious software. It comprises of number of harmful software that are threats to all computer users. Malware is created to attack on privacy, spying, destruction, and financial benefits. Computer viruses. A computer virus is a type of malware that spreads by inserting a copy of itself to another program or file. Most of the viruses are attached to executable files. Viruses spreads and infects other files when a computer user opens the infected program or file. Some viruses are not very harmful, they are simply annoying, while others can seriously damage the hardware, software, or the information stored on the computer. Viruses can also slow down the computer, and some can even stop its operation. Worm. A worm is a malware that transmits itself over a network to infect others' computers. Worm can be harmful like viruses. Worms are standalone programs that replicate themselves and spread across networks or through various means, such as email or file sharing, without needing a host file to attach to. It enters a computer through the weakness in the operating system of the computer. It's slowing down communication by increasing network traffic. Spyware. Spyware is designed to spy on users' activities without their consent. It can monitor keystrokes, collect personal information, track web browsing habits, and more. Spyware is developed for personal benefit of the creator. It performs secret operations such as stealing passwords or bank PIN, personal identification number, or other personal information about user. It infects computers through installation of software from internet. Most the spyware is difficult to remove. ADWARE. Some adware may also collect user information without their permission. It pops up advertisement during execution of infected program. It affects computer's performance. Keylogger. A keylogger is software which records every typed letter on keyboard. For example, when the user uses Facebook and enters the Facebook account details, it will get recorded in the attacker's computer. Rootkits. Rootkits are stealthy malware designed to conceal their presence on a system. They often provide unauthorized access and control over a computer or network. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying the content on my channel, then please hit that subscribe button below, and it really helps support the channel. Thank you so much for your support.